In this video, I'll show you how to use a nail gun with an air compressor. An air compressor is the power source for a pneumatic nail gun. An air pipe supplies the needed compressed air to the nail gun. Next, we have the nail gun itself. Different types of nail guns are available, each has its own specific use. Choose the appropriate nail gun based on the type of work you're doing. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including safety glasses and ear protection. As the first step, connect the air compressor to the nail gun. Attach one end of the air hose to the compressor's outlet port and the other end to the nail gun's inlet port. Ensure a secure connection and check for any air leaks. Make sure you have a stable work surface and that your materials are securely positioned. Clear any obstructions, debris, or tripping hazards that may interfere with your work. Check the nail gun manufacturer's instructions to find the recommended operating pressure range and set your air compressor's pressure accordingly. This ensures optimal performance. Load the nails into the magazine of the nail gun and hold the nail gun firmly with both hands. Position the tip of the nail gun where you want the nail to go. Press the gun firmly against the surface and pull the trigger to fire the nail. Repeat this process for each nail, maintaining a steady rhythm. Remember to keep your finger off the trigger to avoid accidental firing until you're ready to place a nail. If you encounter a nail jam, disconnect the air supply, release any remaining pressure, and follow the manufacturer's instructions for clearing the jam safely. When you've completed your work, disconnect the nail gun from the air compressor by detaching the air hose. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more woodworking videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.